Bonjour, bienvenue, welcome to the Jeremy's Project. You guys, there's a tornado watch in effect for our area. Wow, it's very windy. Um, I just came out on our deck to tie our 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 umbrella. It was already closed. We close it at night, but we don't always tie it, and so I came out to tie it. So I'm gonna get back in the house. Wow. Wow, it's a couple hours later from when I was on the deck, and it's still very windy, very strong. Well, the tornado watch is in effect until 2 p.m. today, so, and it's all up and down the East Coast. So we shall see. So you guys, nature brought us a beautiful present, and I've been, taking a few videos of it. It's a sunflower, and I'm going to throw in that video so you guys will see, the progress and the transformation of this beautiful sunflower. And hey, you will hear in this video where I say we did not plant any sunflower seed. There's also a dill growing, and we did not plant any dill. So you're gonna see that in this video. So keep watching. It's so beautiful. It just makes you smile. This is just so amazing, you guys. We never planted any dill seeds or any dill whatsoever, and this dill is growing so tall along with a sunflower. We never planted any sunflower seed, not at all. It really just came up here, and wow, I can't wait to see this open. I just can't wait to see this open. Wow, this is amazing what nature can do. The birds and the bees, the wind, the butterflies, they all contribute to nature's beauty, right? And right here, something else is growing here. I Google identified it. It's some plant or tree with some pretty flowers, pretty red flowers. I honestly don't remember the name. I did Google identify it, so I'm going to leave that right here. In this area, we had never planted anything. It was just grass like here, and there were a lot of little stones. Most of these little stones, the rocks, they came from below the ground here. Yeah, so I don't know, but this is something that we're going to enjoy here in our backyard. I cannot wait for this sunflower to open. Oh my goodness. Amazing. And look how tall it has gotten. And it's beginning to show some color. Wow, it's beginning to open. Oh my goodness. Oh, what beauty. I can't wait to see my sunflower open. Amazing. And here's the dill that continues to grow. It's oh so beautiful. What a beauty on a rainy and cloudy morning. Just look. What a present from nature.